Hello again and welcome back to the second tutorial in creating custom data. So in this tutorials we're just looking at creating custom fields for contact records on your database. As I said before, this is a Drupal 7 version of Civi, a Drupal 7 website which holds CiviCRM. So if you're looking at a Wordpress site or a Joomla site, the way that the Civi lays out may be different to what you're used to working with, but the process, the steps, they're the same no matter what the layout of the site. So down here we've got our custom fields, which are the way that you can configure and develop and extend your own CiviCRM. So to do that, we go to Administer, Customize Data Screens and Custom Fields, and we have a list of the existing data sets. Data sets can be used to extend anything: contributions, participants, activities, events. I created the last tutorial further contact info to extend individuals, and at the moment there are no fields in there, but we're going to create some. And you can do this for any custom data set. You can go back in and you can go in and create new fields after you've created the data set, so you can be continually updating and extending the way that your data is collected and the type of data you collect. So if I click on here to view and edit custom fields and add custom field, adding custom fields itself is a big topic, so we're not going to dive into all of it. This is a quick how-to, where to go to, buttons to press. If you go to docs.civicrm.org and go to the latest user guide, there's a full description of the different types of data and fields that you can be collecting, and that's way beyond the scope of this tutorial. So we're going to ask our contact and their further contact info, what is your favorite TV program? The input type is alphanumeric, so that's text and numbers, and we've got different ways that field can be input. So we're choosing at the moment the single line input, so just like a one line of text. Your options here are drop down, radio buttons, checkboxes, so you can put in multi-select options, and the varying ways of presenting that multiple choice. The database field length defaults to 255, but we're only going to allow 100 characters on this field. We're not going to put a default value, although you can if you want. And field pre-help and post-help. So pre-help appears on the page next to the field. So it's kind of a help text to help your users know what you're expecting here. Post-help appears as a pop-up. Is this field searchable? Yes, because then it will show on the advanced search screens and it will show in reports. Is it required? No. I'd normally use web forms and profiles to set fields as required or not. If you're using it on the contact records, it can just slow down data entry, so I try and avoid it if possible. And view only PHP hook, that's something for developers to worry about, and can happily be skipped over here. Okay, so I'm just going to save that. So now our contact info has a field in it, and we can add more custom fields by coming back to this page, adding more until we're done. So I'm just going to click done here now. I'm going to return to my contact record. And scroll down, and here we go, further contact info, and I can click in there and edit and put in my favorite TV program. Simple as that.